Today we are going to discuss about to show the weight of an object on the moon is 1/6 of the weight of the earth. Indicated that if a body is having weight on the universe on the earth 36, then on the same body will reach to the moon, on the surface of the moon the mass will remain 6 kg only. Indicated that it is whatever weight the body is having on the earth, it is 1/6 on the moon. So how we will just mathematically, I would like to just explain it. Like we can take the example. First thing, the very first thing we are going to do, G is equal to gm upon r square. By the law of gravitation, as we know, G is equal to gm upon r square. It can be gmm if we are just discussing about the relation between two bodies, but because we are discussing a normal thing, gm upon r square. But normally, as we are knowing, W is equal to mg. So on the place of this G, we can place the value this one. So what we did here, we place W is equal to M is as it is, and remaining on the place of G, we will write down gm upon r square. Now we will take the example weight of the body of mass m on the earth. When we will consider on the earth, we will write down weight of earth, at the same time me mass of earth and radius of earth. Here you can see it. Weight of earth is equal to mass and acceleration due to gravity on earth. So mass became gm and radius became rm. When we will take the same example on the surface of moon, we will consider wm, gm, and here also the mass we considered mm. Earlier it was me and re. Here we will consider mm and rm. Now we got two type of scenarios, me and re for earth, mm and rm for the moon. Now what we will do, we will just, if this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, what we will do, we will just divide equation 2 by equation 1. We will get wm upon we is equal to this whole material will be divided with each other. Now the question arises that how we can just describe, as the mass of the moon mm is 1/100 times of the mass of the earth. Mass of the moon is less, 100 times less in compared to earth, and radius of moon is 1/4 time. It is 4 times less than the earth. Then we place the values accordingly, and after calculation we will get the answer 1/6. Means if we will do the same, the wm will equal to 1/6 of we. Means it will be 1/6 time of the mass of the earth. Thank you.